Hello, hello. Okay, right. Well, basically, I'm gonna do a dream to dream because it's the song I'm meant to be doing for my GCSE prac. Um, but I thought maybe if I played it for you guys and yeah, so you kind of give me feedback. Okay. I dreamed a dream time gone by, and hope was high, and life was living. I dreamed love would never die. I dreamed that God would be forgiving. Then I was young and unafraid, and dreams were made into that we did. There was no ransom to be paid. No song and song, no wine and feasted. But the darkest come at night, with their voices soft as thunder, as they say your hope apart, as they turn your dreams to shame. He swept the summer by my side. He filled my face with tender wonder. He took my childhood in his stride, but he was gone when autumn came. And still I dream he'll come to me, and that we will live the years together. But there are dreams that cannot be, and there are storms we cannot weather. I, sorry, I had a life I dreamed would be so different from this town I'm living, so different now from what it seems. Now I can kill the dream I dream. Okay, I know I messed up several times in that, so yeah. Okay, I hope it's okay.